Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to do a very simple project, which is we are going to be integrating Google AdMob in Android Studio. So let me take you through. It's going to be a very simple project, just a banner ad. So let's create a new project. We're using empty activity. So I'll just call it banner AdMob. So I'll click on finish. So I'm using Java. So while the project is syncing, we're going to go to Google. We're going to type in Google AdMob integration. So you go to the link, get started. So what you are going to do is this. We are going to take some dependency. All this, we need all these things, but they are already there in our Android Studio, so we don't need it. At this version, all these things are there. So we just need the dependency. So let's copy this dependency. So I think our project is still syncing. Let's wait a while. So before then, after we copy this dependency, we are going to copy the this line of code to add in our Android manifest. So because this is where we are going to input our AdMob app ID. So let's see, I think it's still syncing. Let me not waste your time. Let me pause it. So our project has finished syncing. So what we did is that we went to this link to copy this dependency. So we are going to come to our build.gradle and paste it. So let me go to the build.gradle. So I'll just come below and paste it. So after then, I'll sync my project. So while the project is syncing, so we are going to, the next step is to copy this line of code. You just copy this. Then you come to your Android manifest, the manifest folder. Go down below in application and paste it. So we need an AdMob ID, which is, we are using a test ID for now. Although when you want to make your app, you want everything to be live, you are going to use your real AdMob ID. But for testing purpose, we are using the, sorry for that, it's not, I'm not supposed to copy that. We are using the test app ID. So I'll copy this. I will come to this point and paste it. I'll just paste it here. So the next thing we are going to do now is to add the layout file. So we are going to remove this constraint. So I'll be using relative layouts. So I'll remove this text view here. I'll go to this page. So now I need to come to this point to look for the banner. I think, let me go down. So I will click here. Let me just open it in a new page. So I'll open it in a new tab because I want to take the XML file. So let's just wait for the page to open. But before then, let me show you, while we wait for the page to open, the next thing we are going to do, I think it has opened. My network has been disconnected, please. So sorry for that. So the page has opened. We need the XML file. So just come to the XML. We'll copy it here. Then we'll come to our layouts and paste it. So you can see it here is displaying below here. So the XML file is done. So let's come to the main activity.java. What we are going to do is that we need to initialize our add mob. So we copy this code. We'll paste it here. Then import it. You click on Alt Enter. So that is done. So the next thing we are going to do will be that, let me show you what we're going to do next. Now we need to bring in the variable for the add view. So copy and paste here, then click on Alt Enter. So now we have done the step of initializing our add mob. So we just need to copy these codes. We'll come below this code and paste it here. So after then, you just need to click on Alt Enter. So at this point, now let me show you one thing. On this our XML file, we have our AddMob ID already here. Now this is just the test ID, but when you are implementing in your real app, in your real project, you get it from your AddMob account. So let me just go over what we did. We brought in the dependency and we sync our project. We went to the main activity and brought in the layout. Then after then, we initialized the AddMob SDK. After initializing it, we brought in the add view variable. Then we now bring in this code. So at this point, everything is all right. Let's run our app and see what will happen. Let's wait for our emulator to come up. So our app has been installed and our ad is now showing. So you can see it below here. So it's just as simple as that. There's not too much work. So thank you. Please subscribe to the channel, share with friends, and like the video. Thank you for hanging around.